President Draupadi Murmu has granted sanction to prosecute Aam Aadmi Party leader and former Delhi Minister Satyendra Jain in a money laundering case being investigated by the Enforcement Directorate. A source said that the sanction against the 60-year-old politician has been sought under Section 218 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. The Ministry of Home Affairs had requested sanction from the President of India based on an ED investigation and the presence of adequate proof. The Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita section governs the prosecution of judges and public servants for offences allegedly committed while performing their duties. The source added, after getting sanction permission, the investigation officer will now file a fresh supplementary charge sheet informing the court about the approval of prosecution sanction. Last month, the CBI informed a Delhi court that it had obtained the requisite sanctions to prosecute Jain in a disproportionate assets case. The ED booked Jain in the money laundering case linked to alleged Hawala dealings and arrested him in May 2022. Jain held the health, power and a few other portfolios when he was taken into ED custody. The case stems from an August 2017 FIR filed against Jain and others by the CBI on charges of alleged possession of disproportionate assets. The ED has attached properties worth 4.81 crore rupees belonging to 4 companies allegedly linked to Jain and his relatives in connection with the money laundering probe, over which he spent more than 18 months in jail.
आपको ताज्जुब होता होगा, मनीष सिसोदिया को अरेस्ट कर लिया, संजय सिंह को अरेस्ट कर लिया, सत्येंद्र जैन को अरेस्ट कर लिया, अरविंद केजरीवाल को अरेस्ट कर लिया। सब में कॉमन क्या है? खास क्या बात है? क्यों अरेस्ट किया? अरे नेता तो बहुत है, अरे इस देश के अंदर पार्टियों की कोई कमी नहीं है। आज इस देश के अंदर पहली बारी आम आदमी पार्टी अरविंद केजरीवाल ने बनाई, जो आम आदमी ने बनाई, पढ़े लिखे लोगों ने बनाई, सिर्फ जनता के बारे में सोचने वाले लोगों की पार्टी बनी। ये नेता लोग पता क्या कहते हैं? अगर ये चल पड़े ना, हमारी दुकानदारी बंद। जितने भी नेता हैं, खांटी नेता जितने भी नेता हैं, सबको दर्द इस बात का है कि मनीष सिसोदिया ने अगर स्कूल ठीक कर दिए तो उनको कौन पूछेगा?
Jain was granted bail in the case in October last year. The ED has alleged that during 2015-16, Jain was a public servant and that 4 companies beneficially owned and controlled by him received accommodation entries totaling 4.81 crore rupees from shell companies against cash transfer to Kolkata-based entry operators through the Hawala route. These amounts were utilized for the direct purchase of agricultural land or the repayment of loans taken for the purchase of agricultural land in and around Delhi, the agency alleged. The ED has filed a charge sheet against Jain in the case. That's all for today. For more such news updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Indian Express. Thank you so much for watching.